Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am attempting IBPS RRB PO Prelims Ultimate Undertaking All India Rank Mega Live Test available in Textbook app. If anyone attempted this live mock test, so please share your score in my comment section. And this test available from 4th June 9 am to 5th June. So please try to attempt. Let's start this test. Sorry. Next. So first given K2P, KLM and OP are stacked one above the other. So here O, which contains bentene, is placed bottom of the stack. Overall 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here O, which contains bentene, bottom. O, which contains bentene. The box Superman comics is placed 3 box above bentene. So Superman comics, 1 box between Avengers and Superman comics. So next possibility, Superman and Avengers. Archie is placed immediately below Batman comics. So Batman and Archie. Next, Batman and Archie. Archie is placed immediately below Batman. P, which is Tintin comics, is below Archie. P, which is Tintin. So this possibility fails. L is kept below the box contain Tintin, and neither Archie nor Superman is comics is M. K is placed above N. Comics, which comics box is placed in the box K is, how many boxes placed between the Archie and the Avengers? 2. How many boxes between them? 1, 2, 3. 4 of the following, that is P Superman and K Batman, O Benton, it's true, and L Tintin and Archie. Next, in which box Superman comics is N? Next, we'll solve these syllogisms in last minute. 8 games given. Chess, cricket, something were held in different months of the year. So first is September is 30, October 31st, November 30 and December 31st. So this is 21 year, and in 22 year, January 31st, Feb 28, March 31st, and also April 30. So hockey was held after basketball, but not immediately after. Hockey is held after basketball. 4 games held between chess and the basketball. Chess was held in the month of the even numbered days. I think this is chess. 4 months between chess, basketball, and this is chess, basketball. Next possibility, this is chess, basketball. Okay, so this possibility is not true because after basketball is hockey. So chess, basketball. So cricket was 4th game to be held. 1, 2, 3, 4 cricket, again cricket and cricket. So there were as many games held before tennis and after cricket. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tennis. This is again tennis, and this is also tennis. Baseball was held after tennis, but not after volleyball. So this is not. Baseball was held after tennis but not after volleyball. So baseball and volleyball, and this is in the place of hockey, but not after volleyball. Next, which among the following was not held in the same year as volleyball? So volleyball means tennis, chess, baseball, and volleyball. So I think badminton. So this is hockey and this is badminton. If volleyball is related to chess, 1%, and tennis is related to hockey, in the same way baseball is related to tennis. Next, if each game is shifted to next month and the last game is held first, so September, October. So basketball, badminton, hockey, cricket, tennis, chess, baseball, and volleyball. Then what is the sum of the alphabetical place values of the second and third letters of the game in second? I think basketball is 19, A1, so 20. Which game was held second in the year 2022? So chess. Just before cricket is hockey. Next. Next is how many pairs of letters in December? D E F G H I J K, E F G H I J K, C D E F G H, M N O P, B C D E F. 1 in forward, R S T, G H I J K, B C D E F G, M N O P, E F G H, E E. So only 1 in both direction. Next, 9 persons works at the different directions. So sorry, different post. So chairman, chief executive officer, deputy general manager, assistant general manager, assistant manager, probationary officer, and also clerk. So L is junior to, so overall 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. So L is junior to J who is not a chairman. Okay, so J who is not a chairman. More than 3 persons senior to P who is immediate junior to 3, 4. P and P who is immediate junior to Q. Next. The number of persons senior to K is 1 more than the number of persons junior to K. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. So chairman, CEO, director, general manager, assistant general manager, and manager, assistant manager, P1 clerk. Senior person, senior 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. K. So the number of persons senior to K is more than the junior to K. So this is K. Next 1 2 3 4, I think P and Q. Next Q and P. Next one Q and P. N is junior to P but not clerk. Okay, so this is in the place of N. O is just senior to R but junior to assistant general manager. So O is just senior to R. So N is junior to O is just senior to R. N and O is just senior to R. Less than 4 persons work between J and K. N is not junior to O. So L is junior to J and less than 4 persons J and K. So either this is J or G. J or L. Next, who among the following work as a manager? K. How many persons senior to L is? J. 2 persons. How many persons work between O and P? 2. As many persons between the K and L? M work on chairman. So M clerk, Q manager, N general manager, O chief executive officer, R chairman. So M clerk, R chairman, and O chief executive officer. DCM and L and N general manager. M clerk, Q manager, N general manager. So O chief executive officer. So next. So given education, all vowels first arranged alphabetically: A, E, I, O, U. Next, all vowels are placed by previous letter: Z, D, H, N, T. And consonants: C, D, N, T. Next, sixth from the right end, N. So 8 persons given, consists family of 3 generation. M is the sister-in-law of O and daughter of N. So M is the sister-in-law of O and daughter of N. X has only one child. P is the sister-in-law of N. N who is the daughter-in-law of eldest couple. K is the husband of F. M is the sister-in-law of O. And daughter of N. X has only one child. X has only one child. P is the sister-in-law of N. N who is the daughter-in-law of eldest couple, and K is the husband of F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many male members? 1, 2, 3 or K related to M. So paternal grandfather. P is married to Q. Q would be related to F, son-in-law. Next, 8 persons given. 8 persons are sitting around circular table. All are sitting outside. Nina sits out to the right of Nishu. So Nina and Nishu are not neighbors of Nikki. So Nikki is the second to the. So Nikki is second to the left of Neela. And Nanu sits out to the right of Ninni. Nikki and Ninni not neighbors of. So Nikki and Ninni not neighbors of Nona. This is in the place of Nona. And Nanu is third to the right of Ninni. So Nanu. So this is Nona. How many persons are sitting between Ninni and Nina? When counted right of Ninni? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Nina, Nishu, Nikki, Neela, Nanu and Ninni, Nojal. Third to the left of Neela, Nojal. Immediately between Nishu and Nona, Nanu. And what is the position of Ninni with respect to the Nona? Opposite or 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left or 4 to the right? Opposite. So Neela and Nishu and Nanu, Nona, Nina and Ujjal and Neela. Next one. P is 10 meters west of Q and point S is 6 meters north of R. R is exactly between. So V is 4 meters east of Q. U is 6 meters south of Q. And T is exactly midway of Q and U. Next. So if a person 9 meters towards north from T, and which following he goes from S. So 3 and 6. Which of the following ones would he cross in Q? 5 meters. Direction of R with respect to the U. So northwest. Distance between V and T. So 5 meters. P greater than E. T greater than K. O less than F. So only 2 true. Next, O less than or equal to E. K less than B. So only 1 and 2 true. P greater than K. T greater than A. R greater than K. T greater than A. All 1, 2, 3 true. Next. So are sitting in a linear row in different directions. Some of them are facing north and some of them are south. Overall 3, 6, 7, 8, 10. Southern is the product of first two prime number series. So 6 and north is 4. Double is the one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So double is one of the extreme ends of the row. So P and Q are facing opposite direction. Both are the immediate neighbors of R. R who face towards S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And S is 6 to the left of W and faces north. Same as Q. T is third from the one of the extreme ends. Facing south. R is immediate left of P. V is at the one of the ends of the row and facing north. Same as W. So next. X sits immediate right of T. T is third from the one of the. So V, W, 3, 6, 9, 10. So S. So T is third from the one of the extreme ends of the row and facing south. Q is 4 to the left of T. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not. Only two people between R and T. Q is 4 to the left of T and S is 6 to the left of W, faces north, same as Q. Only two people between R and T. U is between Q and Y. Y who is immediate neighbor of W. V and T are immediate neighbors of X. Q is opposite direction. P and Q are opposite direction to each other. Both are immediate neighbors of R. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. T and P is S. Fifth to the left of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Q. Neighbors of P is S and R. RY. So RY, UX, Q is north. So the number of people sitting X and R. X and R 3 is same as the S and U. So next. So some keys are not locks. Only few locks are gates. Only few gates are rooms. All locks are keys. So all pen is pencil. No pencil book. Only few book copy. Some pen is book. Some copy is not pencil. Only two. So time is over. Next. So x is, so 2x square minus 12 minus 19. 6 and minus 5 and y equal to minus 28 plus 12 minus 1. Minus 4 and minus 25 plus 4 is plus 25 minus 4. Again can be determined. Next. Minus 2 and 1.4 and y equal to so minus 3 is 1.4. So x is greater than y. So plus 5 plus 20. X plus 4 minus 4 minus 2.5 and y equal to minus 10. Y minus 2 plus 5. So minus 1.6. So x is less than y. Five, 12, 16, 23, 27, 34. 7, 4, 38. So 25, 150, 750, 5250. To 7. So 52577. So into 11. 50. 17, 19, 37, 91. 61. 06, 24, 61. 6, 18, 36, 60, 12, 90. So 210. 8, 22, 44, 74, 112. 8, 46, 112 is 158. Next one. So 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of rice, sugar, wheat. So rice is 15, 10, 25, 30, 10 and 20. Next sugar is so 15, 25, 15, 40, 20 and 15. Next wheat is 20, 40, 20 is 10 and 20, 30. Respective ratio between the amount and 2012, 2009. So 30, 50, 60, 75, 40, 60, 80, 50, 65. So 12 and 9 is 80 and 50, 80 is to 5. Approximate total amount and 2010 and 75 to average of 11, 13, 14. Sugar only, okay. Sugar of 11, 15, 35, 15. 3. The 50 is 175. So 58. 30% of all income and was paid as income tax, and the remaining amount total amount 165. So I think 86%. Next, decrease amount of wheat 12 to 14. To 100%. Sugar and wheat all years 35, 65, 100, 135, 185, 225, 270. Next. So 2 alloys, gold and the copper 5, 3. So 5 by 8 plus 5 by 16 plus 11 by 16, 10, 15 by 16, 27 by 16. 1:70. Next. So Vastal earns 25% investment but loses 15% on another investment. The ratio of two investments. And 850. 75, 90, 75 by some 19 and 75. So 4% profit. So I think 25%. Next. $75, 681 by 9. 9 into 126 by 26. 60 by 61 plus 55, 44. 10 plus minus 110 plus x square. 10 plus x square is 15 is 25, that is 5 square. 196 by 1 by 14. 14 plus 16 minus 11. And 7 and 9 in. So 2, 5, 152. Next. 25, 5, 30 of 30 by 15 is 60 and 4, 240, 6 and 9, so 229. How many people does textbook have average salary of 16 employees is 36K. $30K of 16 plus X. 16 into 6K of 16 and X is 16. So I think 32. Okay. 96 plus 4 is 5x. So x is 16. Next one 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Affected dengue or 20, 30, 40, 30 and also 40. Affected dengue. Students are 10 and housewives are drivers are 6 and 15, 6 and 20, 8 and 12, 15, 6 and 9, 20, 8 and 12. So the difference between the number of drivers affected dengue 2019 is and affected by dengue is 2016. The number of hospitalized students drivers ratio. So next is find the difference between the non-vaccinated citizens B and D. P and D. Two 80. It is 6 are vaccine and so 1/3 120 and D is 250 300 360. 60 means 20/80 90 30. Vaccinated less than vaccinated less than by what percentage of the citizens of village be vaccinated less a vaccine 350 450. Village of vaccine A 80%. Not got vaccinated in C 190 or 190 180. 190 180 370 180 360 420. Next, difference between the number of vaccinated citizens C and D. C 190 and 180 370 and 360. So 10,000. And percentage of the total citizens got vaccine B in village A. By vaccine B in village A. Three 70 440. So I think 45 next. Housewife students drivers are 25. So 35 40 and 60 drivers are dengue of year 2016. So next is pen wax x plus 60. So time is over. So this is my score. Overall I attempted 65 questions, 61 correct, 4 wrong. Overall score is 60 and my accuracy is 90%. So please share your score in my comment section. Thank you.